You won't believe what's coming. Get ready for a tool that will change the way you measure for good. Built tough, it's ready to handle massive projects with precision, making sure every inch counts. Then there's this little powerhouse that pumps water like a champ, even in those hard-to-reach areas. With advanced technology built right in, you can keep going all day long without missing a beat. And these are just 2 of the 50 incredible tools we're talking about today. Let's face it, dust gets everywhere when you're sanding, drilling, or cutting, even with the best extraction system. And here is the Festool Sys AirM air purifier. It cleans that mess right up. It's designed to clean up the fine dust that other systems miss, which means a cleaner workspace and less time spent tidying up afterward. Whether you're in your workshop or on a job site, it keeps the air fresh and your surroundings spotless. With its compact design and weighing under 10 kilograms, it's portable enough to go wherever you need. You can even link up to 6 units for larger spaces, making it perfect for big projects. The best part? The purifier's advanced filtration system captures over 99% of harmful dust, improving air quality, which helps you stay more focused and protects your health long term. Plus, with 2 speed settings and a handy warning light for filter changes, it's simple to operate. If you're always measuring big stuff, you are going to appreciate this one, Stabila open reel tape. It's built tough with a shatterproof Y-frame and a variety of mounting options that make it super versatile for any task. Whether you're using the fold-out metal hook with its spikes coating for grip, the integrated eyelet, or the large plastic ring with a nail notch, you'll always have a secure hold. The steel or fiberglass tape options are protected by Stabila's nylon wrap, which helps prevent corrosion and wear over time, great for regular use on job sites. And don't worry about it slipping on smooth surfaces. The spikes coating on the hook keeps everything in place, even over longer distances. Plus, the crank is switchable for left or right-handed users, and the soft grip handle makes it easy to use for extended periods. So, whether you're measuring for foundations or large projects, this reel tape is up for the job, providing accuracy and durability every time. Dealing with tangled extension cords is never fun, especially when you're trying to get work done in the garden or workshop. The Link 2 Home Garden and Workshop cord reel solves that problem with its tangle-free cord management system. The heavy-duty 75-foot cord easily winds up with an easy grip handle, keeping everything neat and ready for next use. Whether you're powering up a lawnmower, leaf blower, or pressure washer, this cord is built for tough jobs. Its 14-gauge cable provides plenty of power, and the rugged metal frame ensures durability for long-term use. Plus, the cord locking system means your cable stays in place. No more frustrating unwinding while you work. It's also compact and easy to carry around, making it convenient for moving from one project to the next. With its high-visibility outdoor design and a 3-year warranty, this cord reel is a reliable tool for both home and workshop needs. Pumping water from those hard-to-reach places? Forget the hassle. The Milwaukee M18 stick transfer pump makes it simple. It's designed to pump water fast, handling up to 25 gallons per minute and up to 1,000 gallons on a single M18 red lithium battery. So you can spend less time pumping and more time getting the job done. The 360-degree filter helps keep debris from clogging up the pump, which means fewer interruptions and smoother operation even in messy conditions. Plus, with a 48-inch submersible reach, it's easy to get down into those deep trenches or hard-to-reach spots where water tends to collect. Whether you're using a standard garden hose or a larger discharge hose, it's got the flexibility you need for different tasks. Every electrician needs a good pair of scissors, right? Well, the King Tony Electrician scissors are more than just scissors. They're a versatile tool every electrician can appreciate. With their 5-in-1 multifunctionality, you can count on them for more than just cutting wire. Made with high resistance, durable steel, these scissors offer high hardness blades and an anti-slip serrated edge, making precise cuts a breeze, even on tougher materials. The handles are light yet strong, made from impact-resistant plastic and ergonomically designed to give you a comfortable grip, even during long tasks. The combination of PP and TPR materials makes the handles durable, while keeping them lightweight for easy handling. Whether you're stripping wires or making clean cuts, these Electrician scissors deliver reliable performance with their sharp 4034 stainless steel blades. Perfect for electricians who need a tough and precise tool they can depend on every day. Walls are full of surprises, but with Zircon SuperScan, it lets you see them before you make a costly mistake. With its advanced target control technology, it's tuned to locate wood studs, while filtering out metal objects like pipes and ducts that could throw off your results. This tool isn't just for finding studs though. It offers 5 different scanning modes, including stud scan, deep scan, and AC scan, whether you're checking for wood, metal, or live wires. The color-coded display makes it easy to understand what's hiding behind your surface. The addition of metallic warning and low-level detector helps spot any deep metal or less dense objects, which means fewer surprises once you start drilling. If you're looking for a reliable way to scan walls for safe drilling, the Zircon SuperScan offers both precision and peace of mind, perfect for pros and DIYers alike. So, you've found your studs. Now it's time to fine-tune. And if you've ever struggled with machinery alignment, the Woodpecker's SERX Precision Straight Edge Rule is something you were searching. The unique V-groove design allows it to stand on its own, which leaves your hands free to check for any dips or humps with a feeler gauge or flashlight. Whether you're adjusting your table saw, jointer, or router table, this straight edge ensures accuracy every time. Its 2-point contact system makes it easy to spot uneven surfaces, and the 30-degree beveled edge brings the measurements right next to your workpiece for a clear read. Available in 24, 36, and 49-inch sizes, this straight edge is perfect for machinery alignment jobs and also serves as a reliable layout tool in your workshop. Let's move to something that brings real power to your projects: the Enerpac XC2 series cordless hydraulic pump. For over 10 years, Enerpac's cordless pumps have been a go-to for industrial applications. Now, with the new XC2 series, you've got a faster, longer-lasting, and more powerful tool for handling even bigger tasks. Thanks to its high-capacity 54-volt battery, the XC2 offers incredible runtimes and quick recharging. The brushless motor runs cooler, lasts longer, and gives you flow rates that compete with a half-horsepower corded pump. Whether you're dealing with power-hungry jobs or need more extended runtime, the XC2 delivers. Plus, it's one of the first Enerpac pumps to be smart-enabled, taking performance into a new era of intelligent, connected tools. Portable, powerful, and precise. This pump gives you everything you need for industrial tasks, wherever your work takes you. Now let's talk about today's sponsor, TikTok for Business. It is a global platform designed to help brands like yours become creative storytellers and meaningfully engage with millions of TikTok users. Whether you're looking to attract customers, drive sales, or boost conversions, TikTok's unique ad solutions can get you there. From small businesses to large agencies, TikTok for Business has the tools to help you grow. So why are you waiting? Find the link in the description box and launch your first TikTok campaign today. When it comes to reliable sanding, it's really all about the sponges you choose. TapeTech premium sanding sponges are designed specifically to give you a smooth, professional result. With their anti-clog technology, these sponges ensure optimal removal rates while maintaining a superior finish. Whether you prefer wet or dry sanding, these sponges can handle both, thanks to their high-quality brown-fused aluminum oxide that extends sanding life without the flaking or breaking that can slow you down. Their comfortable foam grip and excellent flexibility make them easy to work with, ensuring you're always in control. Not just durable, these sponges are also reusable. Simply wash them and use them again, making them an economical choice for any finishing job. If you're looking to elevate your sanding game, TapeTech has you covered. Got a ton of weld seams to deal with? Don't waste time grinding. The Promotech BM30WM makes them disappear. And yes, it's fast, powerful, portable. Perfect for removing weld seams up to 11 millimeters high and 30 millimeters wide. It provides a smooth, continuous surface, making it ideal for prepping workpieces for painting or coating. Thanks to its powerful motor, with electronic speed control between 1,800 and 5,850 RPM, you can adjust the speed to optimize cutting conditions. The machine features a rotary face milling head that ensures smooth operation without creating heat-affected zones or warping the workpiece. With magnetic guiding rails and a chip guard for added safety, you can work with precision and comfort. The BM30WM also offers continuous height adjustment and overload protection, making it reliable and easy to use. It's a must-have tool for heavy-duty weld seam removal. Want a good tool for cutting? The Worx WX543L. Cordless Jigsaw is a great choice. It's got power, it's precise, and it's cordless. You can control the speed and the orbital action, and it cuts through wood, plastic, and metal easily. It's designed to be comfortable too, with an ergonomic barrel grip and a top handle that keeps you steady. Plus, it's light, only about 5 pounds, so it's easy to handle, and it cuts down on vibration, which makes for smoother cuts. Changing blades? Super quick, no tools needed. And you've got 3 pendulum settings, so you can really dial in your cutting efficiency. Safety's covered with a lock-off switch, and the rubber grip makes it comfy to use for long stretches. Oh, and it's part of the PowerShare family, so one battery works with over 75 other tools. Need to remove wallpaper quickly and efficiently? The Wagner SpeedPro wallpaper steamer is here to save the day. With its advanced flash boiler technology, it heats water in under 4 minutes, so you're ready to get started in no time. The versatile tool comes with 2 different steamer plates, allowing you to adapt to various surfaces. It also offers a generous 4.9-meter hose for a larger working range, and refilling is a breeze thanks to the removable water tank. Once you're done, the plates, hose, and power cable conveniently store inside the device. Designed for ease of use and portability, it features a foldable carrying handle and 2 side handles for effortless transport. The Wagner SpeedPro effectively removes all types of wallpaper, even multiple layers, without the need for chemicals or pre-treatment. Plus, the automatic descaling function ensures long-term durability, so you can rely on this tool for your future painting and decorating projects. Imagine cleaning your patio or driveway without being tied to an outlet. That's what the Einhell Picobella cordless surface brush gives you. It's totally cordless, so you can clean anywhere. And because it's part of the power exchange system, you can use the same battery with a ton of other tools. This cordless surface brush is ideal for cleaning smooth, rough, and sensitive surfaces. It features an integrated garden hose connection, allowing you to easily control water consumption with the adjustable water control valve. Changing brushes is a breeze, with a button that makes it tool-free. A special side brush ensures you can clean right up to edges and walls. With extra-wide rotating brush rollers, the Picobella provides fast results. The flexible forward-reverse brush operation ensures thorough cleaning, while the height-adjustable aluminum tube allows for back-friendly use. For added comfort, the ergonomic handle with soft grip and an additional handle with a built-in garden hose guide make it easy to maneuver. Perfect for cleaning stone, wood, artificial turf, and more. Ready to upgrade your shop? The Delta Unisaw cabinet table saw is where it's at. This isn't just any table saw. This 3 HP 10-inch saw features the legendary Unisaw design, now upgraded with a range of industry firsts that set it apart. For smooth, precise cuts, it boasts a tool-free, split design guarding system and a true rise and fall riving knife that adjusts easily for both through and non-through cuts. The included Bassemeyer fence system provides accuracy to within 1 by 64 inch, ensuring perfect setups every time. The single cast trunnion system minimizes vibration, delivering a steady and dependable cutting experience. Dual front cranks allow for quick, repeatable adjustments to blade height and bevel. And with a bevel dial that fine-tunes the blade bevel with precision, you can count on accuracy within 1/4 degree. For enhanced safety, the push-button arbor lock makes blade changes quick and simple, while the bi-level dust extraction system ensures superior dust collection. Whether you're a pro or a DIY enthusiast, this cabinet saw provides exceptional power, precision, and convenience for any project. Looking for a tile saw that's both quiet and precise? The Grizzly T2-8360 is your go-to. Quiet 1 horsepower motor, smooth operation, and dual sliding rails. Make cutting tiles a snap. Perfect for those DIY tile jobs, this saw handles tiles up to 18 inches wide and 1/4 inches thick, making it versatile enough for most tile cutting projects. The adjustable workpiece backstop clamping plate keeps everything secure while you work, and the head and track tilt to 45 degrees left, allowing for precise beveled cuts. The 27 gallons per hour water pump ensures efficient cooling, and the drain plug in the tub makes cleanup a breeze. With a comfortable rubber grip handle and included accessories like a miter gauge and blade, this wet cutting tile saw provides all you need to get the job done right. Whether you're tackling a small bathroom project or a larger tile installation, the Grizzly is the tool to trust. And that's a wrap on the 50 coolest tools every handyman should have. Which one are you adding to your collection? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tool reviews.